Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and in this series, I'm going to show you how to solve inequalities. And today, I'm going to show you how to solve non-linear inequalities. So, for solving non-linear inequalities, here are the guidelines. First one: move all terms to one side. Second, factor, and third, find the intervals. Fourth, make a table or diagram. Fifth, solve the question. Okay, here is the question. Solving a quadratic inequality. So solve the inequality this. Here this is quadratic because here highest power is 2. Okay, first guideline is move all terms to one side. Okay, so here move all terms to one side. Um, 5x here minus 5x. Minus 6 this side positive 6. Less than or equal to 0. First one done. Now second factor. Okay, we can factorize. So what is here product? 6. What is sum here? Minus 5. If you don't know how to solve quadratic equations, so please watch my other videos. Okay, I can share that video's link in description box. Okay, so product is 6, so we have to choose 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 because their sum is 5. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, and minus 2 times minus 3, we get 6. So this is perfect. Minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. So we got minus 2 and minus 3 this. So these x minus 2 factors and x minus 3 factors, when can be 0? When x value 2 and x value 3 respectively. Okay. So now we can do this third. Find the intervals. So here we can find intervals. So here x value 2, that time this is 0. So this is 2. And here we can fill the circle because here equal to sign. Okay, this is 3. Yeah, so here this interval is minus infinity to 2, and this interval 2 to 3, and this interval 3 to infinity, right? So we got three intervals. Number lines we can divide into three parts. Okay, minus infinity to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. Okay, now here make a table or diagram. For what? I'm explaining here. Okay, so again I am drawing number line. This is 2, this is 3. Okay, and this is, yes, minus infinity to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. Okay, now we choose from minus infinity to 2. Here you can choose any number. Okay, because sign will be changed. Here we can put in these factors and find out what is the um, sign. So for 2 there change sign, for 3 here change sign. Okay, I'm explaining, don't worry. Here we can choose any number, so we can choose here x is equal to 1. From 2 to 3 we will choose here 2.5. Okay, and for 3 to infinity we can choose 4. You can choose any number. Okay, now here this is x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay, for x minus 2 this is x minus 3, this is, and one more here, x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay, here I'm making this vertical line for 0, these. Okay, now when we put x is equal to 1 here, so 1 minus 2 minus 1, it means answer is in negative. Okay, when we put 1 here, this is also negative because 1 minus 3 minus 2, so this is minus. And when we multiply, minus multiply minus, because here these multiply, so it will be plus. Okay, 2.5. Now we can put here 2.5. So this is 2.5 minus 2, it is plus, and 2.5 minus 3 minus 0.5, it means minus. And when we multiply, plus minus, because this value plus, this value minus, so answer is negative. Okay, here x is equal to 4. 4 minus 2, 2, and which is positive. 4 minus 3, which is also positive. Positive times positive, positive. Okay, so here these are in this interval, like minus infinity to 2 positive, 2 to 3 minus, and 3 to infinity positive. Okay, what is here? X minus 2, x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. So here this value can be negative or equal to 0, right? So what is our answer? This one, 2 to 3. So our answer is 2 to 3, and here 2 and 3 include. Why? Because they are equal to sign, less than or equal to. So here 2 and 3 include. Okay, and we can write like this also. So 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. We can represent in two ways. You can give answer like this or like this, both ways. Okay, so this is our solution. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. I can explain many times. Okay, because I am your helper, so don't worry, I'm with you. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.